Do you want to know the stuff that I've been buying lately? Definitely stay and watch for this because it's a lot. Alright guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about the things that I got from MARSHALS, Target, and everywhere in between, ULTA. So sit down, relax, and let me tell you how I spent my money. But before I get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it, so that way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. I do them every week, so definitely check them out. Alright, so let me just show you. The first thing that I got is from Bite Beauty, and this one is the Love canister, and I got this for $20. So I think that this is such a great deal, especially you are getting all full-size items in here. So the two lipsticks in here, they're not really lipsticks, they're multi-sticks is what they're called, and this is what it looks like. I really love Bite Beauty, by the way. I feel like they are such an amazing brand. So this is what it looks like. So you can definitely use this as a blush, you can use this as a lipstick, you can use this however you want. So they're called multi-sticks, and this is the other one. So this one is called Gelato, and the first one that I showed you is called Cashew. So that's what it looks like. So I really like these. I think that they are really good. So let me just swatch them for you as well. So when you apply this on your lips, it's a little bit drying, but I mean, overall, you can just put lip balm on top of it and it looks really nice and it feels really nice as well. So the top one is Cashew, and then the second one is Gelato. And then they also included this, I think it's called cream lip gloss, and it's Rose Pearl. So you can put this on top of these two as well, and it would look really nice. It is holographic, so I really like it. So that's what it looks like. They also included a mirror, so this is what that little flower thing is, a mirror. So I really like it, and it comes in this really cute can. So if you are looking to buy your loved ones something, I don't think you could go wrong with this. I got this for $20, so I mean, hey, you know, they're full-size items. I love Bite Beauty. They're so comfortable on the lips. They only have good ingredients in there, so I would definitely recommend that one. So the next thing that I got are lashes. I don't know, for some reason I've been obsessed with lashes, and I got this Revive lashes. This is what they look like, and it includes 2 sets of them. I got this for $3.99, and I don't think you can beat that. It's originally for $6, and I haven't really used them yet. So that's what it looks like, and I feel like they're really nice. They look, you know, fluffy enough. So I really like them. I would just have to trim them. And then the weird thing that I got. I got a really weird thing here. So I got this #1 cosmetic blender, and this is what it looks like. And let me just show you. So it looks like this, a little sausage. And you put this on your finger, and then you would apply your makeup or blend your makeup that way. And this is the bigger size because it's damp. So this is the damp size of it. So I did use this, and it felt really weird to use it like this and having your hand inside the sponge while blending your makeup. I don't know, for some reason it was so weird, so I had to take it off and then just use it the normal way that I have been using my sponge. But I mean, the quality of this is actually not bad. It actually feels really good. It reminds me of the Morphe blending sponge, so that's what it reminds me of. And this one I got for $3.99. It includes 3 of them, and they are originally for $5. And the last thing that I got from MARSHALS, which I thought was a really great deal, is the Makeup Forever HD powder, and they came with 2 of these. These were from the holiday collection, and they have it on sale for $16. So I thought for $16 I would get 2 of them. One is full size and one is a travel size, so why not? And I've never used these before until I got them, and when I tried them, they were really nice on the skin. They look absolutely amazing. It makes your skin looks like it's airbrushed for some reason, and your pores are gone. So when you apply this, it makes your skin feel so soft, so nice. So I really enjoy these ones too. All right, at Ulta, so I got this blending sponge from Ulta, and this is from Morphe, and my daughter bit it. So it's not me, and I apologize because the sponge is dirty, but this is what it looks like. So this is the one that Jaclyn Hill has been raving about, and of course I want to get it because Jaclyn Hill raves about it, so why not? This one is only $7 at Ulta, plus you get the discount. Sometimes they do have coupons, so I think I got this with a $3.50 off of $15. So yeah, I got that one. I also got these, and these are the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. And these are supposed to be the dupe for the the Tarte Shape Tape concealers. And I honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about these. I mean, they perform just like the Tarte Shape Tapes, so I really like them, and I have them on right now. They, you know, they perform really nicely, pretty well, so I really like these. They were selling them for $7 each. And I also got the Luxe Lash Kit from Whaley. I got 2 of them. One of them is in my eyeballs right now, so this is what you see. And I really like these. These are really nice. They look really glamorous. They open up your eyes, so I really like them. And I do have small eyes, so I mean, bigger eyes is always better. So I mean, it looks really nice. It makes my lashes look longer and nicer, so I like them. And I did get 3 of these, the normal ones, not the Whaley ones. I got 3 of these from e.l.f. as well at Target, and they were $4 each. I don't remember which ones I got, and they're very comparable to the Ardell Foam Ink lashes. And at Tarte, I did order the Shape Tape. Yes, I did. I ordered this, and this one is a medium thin. This is actually what I'm wearing right now. I don't really know how I feel about this. I mean, I don't know if I like the finish of it. I feel like it does not have much of a coverage than what they're hyping about, but I did use a beauty sponge. Maybe that's the reason why I'm not really seeing much of a coverage, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. I will use it for an everyday. It's not that bad. I just don't think that it's really worth the hype. I don't know. Alright guys, so those are all the things that I got, and I'm sorry they're not as exciting as I thought they were gonna be, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys again in my next one. Please let me know what your recent hauls are, and I will see you guys again in my next video. I love you. Bye!